Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the sound device ready and set as default. Open Settings, go to System then Sound, and choose your output device properties. Once there, click Additional Device Properties to open the Classic Sound dialog. Make sure enhancements are not globally disabled so you can access Loudness Equalization. If an enhancement toggle exists, leave it enabled. You are setting the stage, so Windows can apply the equalization filter to the active playback device right away. Now you enable the equalizer feature itself. In the Classic Sound dialog, switch to the Enhancements tab. If you don't see it, check Device Properties Additional Settings or Spatial Sound Options. Check the box labeled Loudness Equalization and hit Apply, then OK to close. Once done, play content with quiet and loud passages to verify smoother volume. If the option is missing, make sure drivers are current or open your audio chipset control panel, because some vendors move the setting there. Finish by confirming consistent results across apps and system sounds, play music, video, and a notification to check balance. If you see no change, reboot and retest because drivers sometimes need a restart to apply enhancements. Make sure other apps aren't applying their own compressors. If problems persist, update or reinstall the audio driver via Device Manager and use the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. That single troubleshooting tip, update drivers, resolves the majority of missing loudness equalization cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.